Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to bookmark on Safari for your MacBook. Bookmarking is a fantastic way to save and revisit your favorite websites with ease. It helps you keep track of important information, articles, or shopping pages you want to come back to later. We'll cover everything from adding new bookmarks to organizing them effectively, ensuring you can navigate your online world more efficiently and save valuable time. Let's dive right in. To add a new bookmark, first, navigate to the web page you wish to save. Then, locate the Share button in the Safari toolbar, which looks like a square with an upward arrow. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select Add Bookmark. You'll then be prompted to name your bookmark and choose a location, such as a specific folder, to keep it organized. It's a simple process that takes just a few seconds. Managing your bookmarks is just as straightforward. To access them, click the sidebar icon in Safari's toolbar, which resembles a small rectangle. This will open the sidebar on the left side of your browser window. From there, select the Bookmarks tab. You can easily rearrange your saved pages by dragging and dropping them, create new folders to categorize your links, or even delete old ones you no longer need. This keeps your digital library tidy. For your most frequently visited sites, the Bookmarks bar is incredibly useful. To enable it, go to the View menu at the top of your screen and select Show Bookmarks Bar. Once visible, you can drag any bookmark directly onto this bar for one-click access. It's a fantastic way to keep your essential websites always within reach, saving you precious seconds every time you want to visit them. This feature truly streamlines your browsing experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.